Hey guy, I'm Donald, and I'm Sonic. I'm bored. Yeah, I know. So what are you doing now, Sonic? Oh look, Fidget Cube. Fidget Cube? Huh, let's see. What does this do? Press the button?
Hey Jordan.
No, Kirby.
Hey, Donald.
Yes?
Look at me.
Oh shit.
I'm the swag boy.
Well, we're doing a toy review. Okay, hey guys, I'm Donald, and I'm Sonic. And today we're doing some Fidget Cube. Sonic, see ya? Fidget Cube. So today we're playing Fidget Cube, and it's color blue. See? You see the toy look like? It has a wall, I guess Wally, and a button. Well, the button of the dominoes. What's the passcode? And some spinning going on. Alright. And the light button. And also in this. And also, most importantly, the button. Allah boy! That's weird. Anyways, this is a toy we had. And yes, I know this is cool. Wait a minute. Fidget Cube. It's so cool. Okay, let's do this. Donald, and thank you for watching Fidget Cube. This is DonaldSonic toy review.